Data is a currency, and having it streamlined makes our team more efficient, more effective, and more productive.
Every time we do a service event, we have engineering data, we have telematics data.
We started out mapping around 100 different systems globally that people had to work through.
It was absolutely critical that we found a solution to maintain and collate all that information in one place. We made the decision to embark on a journey with Salesforce.
As customers go through an intake process, which gets them set up in the system, once they're in our system, we're able to ensure that all of our employees in our different functions, whether it's technicians, parts, customer service reps, they're all accessing the same information for that customer.
Cummins was founded in 1919. Arguably, we wouldn't have survived this long if we hadn't been able to innovate along the way. Well, we're known for being a diesel engine manufacturer. We actually do a lot more than that. We've got products that serve the power generation space. We have a new business which is all about serving the future as we embark on an energy transition with a variety of solutions that helps navigate the decarbonization path.
Sustainability is really a long-term value and goal for Cummins, and through the application of our solutions in service, we've been able to reduce the number of visits to customers that our technicians have to travel.
Our customers want to bring a piece of equipment to us one time. It's more sustainable and our customers will make more money. We've been talking for many years around our desire to become the world's best distribution business. It's really about our people, our processes, and our platforms, and the need for all three of those things to come together.
With AI plus data plus CRM, we see the opportunity to bring together more insights, bring more efficiencies into our processes, apply automation, and that's really helped us towards that ultimate goal to smooth the experience for our customers.
Salesforce helps us innovate through the use of Manufacturing Cloud, Service Cloud, and Sales Cloud. And all three of those things help us deliver improved value to our customers.
Having everything in one repository where we can speak the same language in terms of customer knowledge, regardless of segment, region, geography, that partnership is helping us win on a continuous basis daily. We have a unified, more aligned, more powerful internal workforce, which in turn will make us provide that wonderful world-class experience to our customers and help us continue to power a more prosperous world.